You know, my brother, there are moments in life when we feel trapped. Trapped in habits that we don't even want, but somehow we keep going back to them. For many Muslims, masturbation becomes one of those struggles. It's something we do in secret. Something that feels harmless for a moment, but deep down, it leaves us empty. We think, just one more time, I'll stop tomorrow. But tomorrow never comes. And every time, the guilt gets heavier. Every time, our salah feels weaker. Every time, our heart feels a little more distant from Allah. But listen carefully, this habit does not define you. Your struggle is not your identity. You are more than your weakness. Allah created you with honor, with dignity, and with a soul that can rise above any temptation. The truth is, Shaitan wants you to believe you can never escape. He whispers, you are too dirty, too weak, too far gone. But Allah says something very different. He says in the Quran, do not despair of the mercy of Allah. Indeed, Allah forgives all sins. Yes, all sins. That means your past mistakes, your hidden battles, even this habit you are trying to leave behind. So how do you break free? Start small. Protect your eyes, because what you see fuels your desires. Protect your time, because idleness opens the door to temptation. And most importantly, run to Allah. Pray, even if you feel guilty. Make dua, even if you feel ashamed. Cry to Him in the night, even if you failed 1,000 times before. Remember, Allah is not looking for perfection. He's looking for effort, sincerity, and a heart that keeps turning back to Him. So, my brother, don't give up. Even if you fall, get back up again. Because every step you take away from this habit is a step closer to Jannah. And one day, inshallah, you'll look back and realize, this battle made you stronger, this pain made you humble, and this struggle pulled you closer to Allah than you ever imagined. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more Islamic reminders and motivational content that strengthens your Iman.